In the dynamic world of venture capital, few firms have made as significant an impact as the Founders Fund. This San Francisco-based powerhouse has become synonymous with backing revolutionary ideas that shape our future. But what sets them apart? Hey everyone, welcome back to Jiro's channel, your go-to source for a depth and clarity dive into finance with some thought-provoking topics. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. In this video, you'll explore the groundbreaking vision of the Founders Fund and how it is reshaping the future of venture capital. At the core of the Founders Fund's philosophy is a commitment to transformative ideas. They're not just looking for the next big app or trendy startup. They're seeking out companies with the potential to redefine entire industries and drive societal progress. What's truly unique about the Founders Fund is their flexible investment strategy. In essence, the Founders Fund is not just investing in companies, they're investing in the future. Whether it's seed funding or late-stage investment, they're ready to support promising ideas at any stage. The venture capital industry has long faced challenges that stifle true innovation and transformative growth. Many VC firms are known for playing it safe, sticking to predictable investments rather than betting on groundbreaking ideas. This cautious approach has led to a lack of diversity in investments, with firms often backing the same types of startups. As a result, truly innovative and potentially world-changing ideas often struggle to secure funding, especially if they don't fit the typical Silicon Valley mold. Even worse, the industry's obsession with short-term gains over long-term impact has led to a flood of minor improvements instead of game-changing breakthroughs. And let's not forget the narrow focus many VC firms have. They often miss out on incredible opportunities simply because they don't fit into their predefined categories. But then there's the Founders Fund. This firm is a game changer, breaking away from the traditional VC mold. They've built a portfolio that's all about identifying and backing companies with the potential to disrupt entire industries. We're talking about SpaceX, which is literally taking us to new worlds, and Palantir, which is revolutionizing how we analyze big data. Airbnb turned the global hospitality industry on its head, Stripe made online payments a breeze, and Facebook connected billions of people across the globe. The Founders Fund doesn't just invest in companies, they invest in visionaries who are reshaping the world as we know it. Let's talk about what really makes the Founders Fund stand out in the venture capital world. It's not just about their impressive portfolio, it's about how they invest and support companies in a way that's truly game-changing. At the core of the Founders Fund's strategy is a simple yet powerful philosophy. They invest in visionaries. This isn't your typical VC firm that just throws money at companies. No, they back exceptional founders who have the potential to turn bold, ambitious ideas into reality, and they're in it for the long haul, standing by these founders throughout their entire journey, even when others might jump ship at the first sign of trouble. But the Founders Fund does more than just provide capital. They offer something far more valuable: access to an incredible network of experienced entrepreneurs and industry leaders. This network becomes a treasure trove of insights, connections, and opportunities that can propel startups to new heights. On top of that, the Founders Fund is all about helping companies navigate the tough road to success. They provide hands-on operational support and strategic guidance, helping startups refine their business models, scale effectively, and break into new markets. What really sets them apart, though, is their willingness to embrace risk. The Founders Fund actively encourages bold, unconventional ideas. They're not afraid to invest in ventures that others might see as too risky. This is why their portfolio includes companies like SpaceX, which is redefining space exploration, Palantir, which is transforming data analytics, Airbnb, which has revolutionized hospitality, and Stripe, which is making online payments seamless. Their investment thesis goes beyond just making money. They're looking to back companies that can drive significant change and create lasting value. They're in the business of reshaping entire industries and, in some cases, society as a whole. By combining financial support with strategic resources, a vast network, and a commitment to groundbreaking ideas, the Founders Fund is not just fostering innovation, they're changing the very landscape of venture capital. Their approach proves that with the right support, even the most daring ideas can become world-changing realities. To truly grasp the impact of the Founders Fund, let's dive into one of their most iconic investments, showcasing their visionary approach and fearless backing of transformative ideas. When most investors play it safe, the Founders Fund thrives on taking calculated risks. They're not just about funding, they're about identifying potential game changers and providing the support necessary to bring these bold visions to life. This is what sets them apart from the crowd. Take, for instance, their investment in a company that reimagined how we experience hospitality, Airbnb. When the idea of people renting out their homes to strangers seemed too risky and unconventional for most, the Founders Fund saw the potential for a complete industry transformation. They recognized that this was more than just a new way to book a stay. It was a revolution in how people travel and connect globally. The Founders Fund didn't just provide capital. They provided the strategic guidance and connections Airbnb needed to navigate regulatory challenges and scale globally. Their network of industry leaders and entrepreneurs became an invaluable resource for Airbnb's founders, helping them turn a risky idea into a global phenomenon. Today, Airbnb is a household name that has redefined the travel industry. It's more than just a business success. It's a cultural shift that has changed the way millions of people experience the world. This is the kind of impact the Founders Fund aims for, backing ideas that don't just succeed, but change the way we live and think. The Airbnb story is a perfect example of the Founders Fund's ethos. They invest in visionaries, support groundbreaking ideas, and provide the strategic backing necessary to turn those ideas into reality. It's not just about financial returns, it's about making a lasting impact on the world. This is what makes the Founders Fund a true force in the venture capital world, turning ambitious dreams into world-changing innovations. The Founders Fund isn't just redefining venture capital, they're rewriting the rules of innovation. By fueling frontier technologies and empowering entrepreneurs to take on the world's biggest challenges, they're not just chasing profits, they're driving real change. Their influence is sparking technological revolutions and powering economic growth, making them a crucial force in shaping the industries of tomorrow. What do you think about the Founders Fund's bold approach to venture capital? Make sure to read our blog post, links below in the description. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're into stories about game-changing investments and revolutionary companies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. Thanks for tuning in.